to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make a super easy, delicious, and flavorful white rice. So in case you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So what we're going to need is 1 cup of rice, and I did rinse it, 2 cups of water, some olive oil or any kind of your favorite oil, 1 piece of garlic, 1 serrano pepper or jalapeno, 1/4 of an onion, and about 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon flavored. So these are our ingredients, you guys. So now let's get started with our rice. Okay guys, so first we're going to get started by cutting our onion and pepper and mincing our garlic. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut it. And it's for you guys, if you guys don't want your rice to be kind of spicy, you can take out all the seeds and all the insides. For me, I just like it to have flavor because I do not want my rice to be spicy, so I just take it out. And then I just cut it into like little strips like that. Then for our onion, we're going to do the same. So I'm just gonna use that. That should be enough for me. If you want to add more onion, that's up to you. So after you have your pepper and your onion and your garlic all ready, we are going to get started by heating up our oil on our pan. Alrighty guys, so I added about this much of oil. So now that it's nice and hot, I'm going to add my onions and pepper. So we're just gonna wait for that to get a little bit soft, and then we can add our garlic. Since the garlic cooks faster, we don't want it to get burned. We're just gonna mix it around until it's nice and soft. And I do have it set on medium heat, you guys. Forgot to mention that. Okay, so now we can add our garlic. Just do that for 1 minute, and then we can add our rice. We're just gonna mix it all in there. Alrighty guys, so after your rice is lightly toasted, we are going to throw the water. You do not want your rice to turn brown, okay? So just make sure your rice stays white. So everything, so now we're just going to add our water. Okay, just mix it around. And then we are going to throw the teaspoon of this powder. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix it. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it. Lower than the temperature. I had it set in medium, so now I'm just gonna put it on low. So now I'm just gonna close it and let it cook. So in about 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back and open it and then give it a mix. So I'll be back. Alrighty guys, so now it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to move it. But don't move it too hard, okay? Sorry for that. So just kind of move it around, not too crazy. So just so that, like that. So just, we're going to leave it in there for another 10 minutes, and then after that, your rice should be done. Alrighty guys, so it's been already another 10 minutes, so your rice should be done by now. So that's it. You can turn it off. You see? It's nice and ready. See? So it's ready to be served. And there you have it, you guys. Perfect to go with any entree. I normally like to serve it with shrimp, chicken, or pork. It's delicious. Or you could just eat it like that. The perfect white rice. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, a super easy and delicious recipe. I hope you had enjoyed watching this video, and as always, if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below any of your sweet comments. I enjoy reading them. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of our family. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.